siya ko kay, para kang makaintid kang asawa, kay Roman, gata na sila nagwawaray. Diya. Kaya, masig pala ililinibat ta. I'm sorry. I told them I have to speak English so you can also understand. I don't want you to think that we're talking, talking bad towards your back. But, okay, I'll be serious. Thank you from our family and the closest friends for celebrating this birthday. This is very important. We rarely celebrate birthdays anymore. I remember when we were younger, my mother used to prepare for birthdays. I think she got broke. Napurdoy. Waray na kami for birthday. Tugtog na siguro to 7-year-old ako, nakinomdom ako nga may balloons pa ko na ito. Salamat ako na side and I have two sides of the family. From my mother's side, ni well represented, but also from my father's side of the family, and mga alyo nag-iwan, ani very well represented. This rarely happened. Talag sa lining. And I am very, very happy to see everyone here. I always see my mother's side of the family. We grew up together, basically. We really grew up together. Basta mag-higrali. I like to thank my Aunt Lita especially. Salamat, and